trusted legacy, new frontier. Pioneering developments in NDE. Watch out for an important change from March 2025. The Volume Graphics brand is fully integrating into Hexagon. Industrial CT inspection software has a new home and a new look. With Hexagon's portfolio and know-how at the ready, the development of VG products will continue to shape the face of non-destructive evaluation. Expect more product updates, innovative new features, and investment in better user experience. As part of Hexagon, we're taking our trusted legacy and adding scale. Benefit from Hexagon's extensive end-to-end ecosystem and broaden your capabilities with greater connectivity. 25 years ago, we pioneered CT technology. Now, we're going to define non-destructive evaluation. Let's continue to shape reality together. Join us at Hexagon as we continue our evolution to your one-stop NDE solution provider.